Okay. So when the variables cancel, if you have different numbers here, you get no solution. So if it's a false statement, no solution. If it's a true statement, it's an identity or identical. And it means any number you plug in for the variable will work, and you'll get the same number on both sides. Okay, so write this one down. So I had my last class period where I gave them a bunch of work time, and a couple kids asked questions, but ask questions. If I give you work time, ask questions, okay? Because you get a ton of work time today, so make sure you're asking. Okay, so what is the first step, Kason? And I'll get you in a sec, Ari.
Distribute, right?
Yeah. So negative 2 times j is negative 2j. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So when you're doing these equations with variables on both sides, they're easier because they cause less work. Because we have the exact same thing on both sides, this is called an identity, because the two sides are identical, okay? So if we canceled, if we added the two j's, we'd end up with 6 equals 6, which is true. So it's an identity, and also we say infinite solutions. And it just depends on the problem how they want you to write that, and they'll tell you. Okay? Give you a sec to write that down.
And that's when it's all real numbers?
Yes, all real numbers. That's another thing you can say. And there's a symbol for all real numbers, which is kind of handy. I call it the double stick R. So you make two vertical lines, and you just start your R from the back of the two vertical lines. That symbol means all real numbers, okay? So if you're too lazy to write all those letters like I am, you can just draw this silly little symbol and you get it. All right? Any questions on that one? Ari, you had your hand up?
Yeah, it was about the last problem though.
Okay.
So on it, it was on the right side. It was negative 3 and then times 3z plus 2 in parentheses, I think, right, or quotations.
Yeah, parentheses.
But did you? I got a different answer, but I don't know, because I combined it like terms, and it didn't give me a no solution.
Did you have negative 9 here?
Yes, and then
you had the 6z over here?
Yeah, and then.
And did you get negative 3 when you did negative 9 plus 6?
Yeah, I did, and then I had positive 3. Never mind.
Okay, that's why. It's usually one little sign error that'll screw you guys up, so that's good. All right, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to give you 10 minutes, and we're going to work on these break-even problems. I'm going to show you where they are on Schoology. Let me just find which window I have going here. Okay. Okay, so you can see right here, break-even problems. You can always click on the calendar. It brings this up. So if some kids get confused where that calendar is, so right here next to the word upcoming, there's that tiny little, if you got a question, Anna, you got to unmute. I can't hear you. She was trying to talk. So this little calendar thing. Are we good? So click on the calendar, and then I'm looking at the break-even activity, which is, actually I'll move it over to today. I don't know why I put it on Friday. So click view, and then you're going to pick 2 out of these 5 problems to work on. Okay, and you're going to submit them first. First thing you're going to do. Second thing you're going to do, you're going to look at page 105, crank on that. Last thing is to do the quiz. Okay, so break even, 105, and then quiz. And you got the entire rest of the time to work on that. And Volpe, it looks like you got a question. Do you have a question? There you go.
Yeah, I do have a question.
Thank you, Arnie, for that.
Could, for the assignment here, like, if you wanted to, like, wait, let me pull it up 1 second.
Okay.
If, like, you wanted to, like, do, like, try to find the notes, where would they be again?
Oh, the notes for practice 2-4?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. So calendar, and I'm hoping they're loaded in here. So on the page itself, or this would be yesterday. Oh, you know what? We'll see. Here we go. They're not there. I will load them right now. Just give me 1 sec. So in the meantime, though, work on the break even. And let me just get back to that screen. And I'll load those notes right now. Give me a second. So those notes are in there on practice 2-4, and I'm going to load the video as well.
Mr. Evans,
Yeah.
the document that you gave us for the notes for breaking the even thing,
Yeah.
they won't let us like write on it.
It won't let you write on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so you won't be able to write on it. I'm not sure what you're looking for. Yes, you could print them out or take a picture. I saw that from Elise, that's fine. You could share your screen and tell me what you want to try to do, Anna, and I could help you. How many of the break-even problems, Charlotte? That's 2 out of 5. No problem. So ask questions if you need to, please.
What does it mean? What is missing?
You can just write the equations. I don't care about that other stuff. Just identify
Okay.
the variable, write the equation, and solve it. That's all.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Wait, so we only have to write down the equation for the word problem?
Variable, equation, and solve. Yeah. I don't really care about that other stuff on there.
Oh, as in like variable as in like money.
Yeah. So which number are you working on, Ari?
I think I was doing 4.
4.
The tree grower one.
So we don't have to do any any of the things like the diagram or the the hidden questions and stuff.
Yeah, no. Just write
Okay.
the equation. You're good.
Cool.
Okay. So let me just copy this. So variable on this one, Ari, would be trees for x. And then you'd have 1853x plus 600 equals 65x. And these one are like, you have expenses on one side and then profit on the other side. And all the problems from this that I worked on with third period, I think they were all expenses equal profit. We didn't go through all of them though, so I don't know if everyone is like that, but the ones we did are. I think we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you need help with another setup on one of these problems, let me know. And then once you're done with setting up those 2 problems, 105, and then the quiz. But there's number 4 up there if you want the beginning of number 4.